Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and I have someone special here, Miss Ariella here, this beautiful, nice green here. Listen to me, this young lady has done something that I want to share with you. I'm an internet marketer, and she reached out to me over and over again and said, Wesley, teach me what you know. Do you know, less than 6 months, this woman had done something so astronomical that I was knocking on her door. And now she's training other people. Ariella, let's explain what you're doing. This is gonna be powerful, guys. Go ahead.
Listen, I am going to do it for you.
Do what?
Everything. The Done For You Services does exactly that. It does it for you. So I'm inviting you today to join me in my live webinar where I am going to be teaching you everything and better yet, guaranteeing you some money immediately. And all you need to do is click the link below, join me live, and I am going to do it for you. It's that simple. See you there.
Let's go.